Hi to my 20 followers. This is for you. But I'm gonna be doing a video of me doing a little painting, and I have to figure out exactly what picture I'm gonna paint. And I want to find one from my camera roll. I don't really want to use one off Pinterest and then trace it and then basically just copy a photo off Pinterest. I almost want to paint this photo because it's too funny to me, like the dog blowing in the wind in the cart, and like the people aren't like, I won't have to do their face or anything, just like a side profile. This is ready to paint. I think I just have to draw the sidewalk line, which is probably gonna be like up here. I don't know, it's gonna be higher because this is a parking lot. But I'm also thinking it shouldn't be that high, it should be like there. I don't know. Because that tree is actually a lot closer. It's not that far away. But this is what we got going on. I have to like clean up my desk, put the easel on there, and then start doing the background. So this is actually the first time I'm doing a more realism painting, and it went a lot better than I thought it was gonna go, because the picture, like her legs were in a different position. Like the one that's in the back was actually in the front. I don't know how to explain that, but it was a different angle, and like certain things were at different angles, but it ended up looking really cute, and I was really liking how it was coming along. Like there was points where like the water would drip down, because people don't usually do like watercolors facing up on an easel because of that, and you'll see like there's a point where it like drips down and messes up certain parts, but it's definitely easy to fix. Okay, I wanted to talk about the painting a little bit, because I know the video would be super boring if it was just all time-lapse, so I'm kind of taking a little break, and also this is kind of how it's looking as of now. I just have to do the car and like the windows, but it's looking better than I thought it would, because I feel like shading is not my strong suit, but making like a white shirt look kind of real and like it's blowing in the wind, this little doggy blowing in the wind, it's like, I don't know, feeling kind of good about it. But So I actually tipped the paint down so it wouldn't drip like that, but you can still see it dripping from the windows in the painting. But it's alright, you know, watercolor is watercolor and it's just what it does. But that's why I was tipping it flat, because usually you do watercolor flat, and maybe I'm overthinking it, but it's just annoying. I'm gonna do sort of a side by side. Let me get to that photo. Okay. Of course it's like inverted, but that is I feel like the shirt looks really good and close. If I can catch it on camera. I don't know. But that is the final little painting. Little dog. This is definitely a little calm, sleepy video, but I hope you liked it.